Sappers, ground needs taken, boyos. Digging out the section command post. Bot had orders in your little stroll into Jerry's line.
I mean,
Nothing
you
to
know,
worry
you
about.
can see when I'm killing. You don't want to play against me, it's pretty
Royal
easy.
Engineer, like a shit through a goose. Stop it.
Not search while I'm searching.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
Slow down, hang about. Stop him for a mo. Pronto. Sappers, eager as we'll ever be. Position's ours.
Spark up while it's
Royal End, that capture point needs to be ours, right?
Alright, getting my timings. Always good when you don't make any mistakes in the first minute of the game, you know?
Sappers, report in. What's Jerry's is ours. Can we blow it up now? Ah, Royal Engineers, ready.
A new infantry section is ready for battle.
Say fast cap of the VP. It's got to be a Crouchotson down this side, that means, right?
What's the time? Eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position. Position taken. Tidy. Time for a brew?
We got orders. Oi, gear up and move on that point. Move, you bloody shit! Enemy fire! Point's ours! That time and all. We'll get there if I have to drag you myself.
Taking fire. Position snaffle. Got more for us?
Present and accounted for, sir. Shut your mush and
Snappers
move your
on site.
feet.
What do you need, blow
An
up?
infantry section of Tommies has been trained.
Oh,
Heads down, lads!
highly going for panzer pipes.
Take that position.
Jerry's picking us apart!
They're below us. Secure that position. Drive them out. Area secure. Tidy it round now. He's dead.
Oh, every
Go for
time!
dingo next.
Every shitting time!
I'll wait to take the position.
We're losing a victory point.
Have that taking damage. We have to
Guys,
move.
that means you! Get that captured!
We have territories exposed out there. Lines being cut.
Decap is fuel as well.
We're taking that position.
Attention! Come on! Come on! Let's get this over
Sappers
with!
reporting.
A Dingo recon vehicle has been made ready.
Come on, dig it out! It's captured!
Scout car moving out, chums.
Get in the fuck out of here! Get on, all right? Take your knickers on! Move on that capture point!
We need it elsewhere, lads.
If I intercepted him here earlier, I could have maybe got him.
Ground needs taken, boy.
Scout Dingo scouting ahead. Heading to our destination
Sappers on site. What do you need blowing up?
We got orders! What a beauty! Flags raised!
Sappers reporting. We're taking that position. On it. Take it, hit.
Bad initial
Supplies
burst.
aren't making it back to HQ. Lines cut.
Take your knickers on! 15 foot down, driver! Make a move! Do a fuck enemy half track! He's making a move!
My advantage is larger when I'm in close quarters.
Set to go! Take that point! Captured! Hold it! Back it, guys! Replace it on laser! I'm not taking down! Stop this bitch! Throw it in reverse!
Very close.
Pay attention! Boss man says take it, we take it,
Back
right?
up! Back us up! Light vehicles are receiving training, Commander.
Vehicle, eager to give us
Sappers
some
back,
breathing
full
room.
numbers. Patching it up now.
Here! I think we're up, lads. Slow us up! Medical supplies! Pass them out! Present and accounted for. Look live.
Definitely had
Time to secure that.
Sector
better
overrun.
resource control to this point than he has.
Sappers, let me guess. We should see the other guy. Hazard removed.
Vehicle drills completed.
To the location. Fueled up and ready. Vehicle
Is it
needs
low
a dingo
bearing?
scouting ahead.
Upgrades, yes.
Withholding reinforcements, Commander. We've lost the sector to the
240.
enemy.
Not had orders. We've got orders.
We got orders. Quit whinging and march. Get the ground! You heard? Send your message. Mirror signal, driver.
Sappers, here we go. Ready to destroy some poor bastard.
Shut your mush and move your feet. Jerry's nowhere to
Sappers. Eagles.
Territory lost.
We're going.
Pay attention, lazy buggers.
We shall reinforce in your absence.
Quiet down. Finders keepers, lads.
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Replacements are here. Let's put them through their paces.
Our finest vehicle crewmen have been
Oh, I
allocated.
forgot to.
Vehicles shall arrive on the field veteran.
Close for comfort. Take it hit. Get moving. Enemy infantry.
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Yeah, we're moving. Driver. Driver. Stop those bloody sappers. Watch your feet. Fall back now. Awaiting instructions, sir. Take it.
What now?
Vehicle needs
We're
Ingo scouting
capturing that
ahead. Point. Wait on night.
Fueled up and ready. Piece of pace. Right, lads?
I think we're up, lads.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Alright. Tea grenades.
Grenades are being distributed to the men. Victory point is in enemy hands. Steady on.
That infantry fancies us, lads.
What's the task? Come on, Sap.
Standing by.
Ready?
Fast tracking outside. Move it.
They've cut us off. Territory is out of supply. Dingo recon vehicle has been destroyed.
Sappers, we're moved by us. We're under fire. Fall back. Cover your
Oh,
butt.
sad.
We need space for the wounded. Infirmary coming right up.
Always eager to serve.
Need a boys, I guess.
Anti-tank package on its way to us, gents.
Royal Engine patching it up now.
Quiet down and listen up. We'll risk it.
I thought I could bait him, but
won't we?
Polsten couldn't chunk through the 250 fast enough. I guess he's maybe got the combat half-tracks upgrade.
Quit whinging and march.
Is it load bearing? Then it's had orders in yonks. Starting the work. What's the task?
Time to march, boys.
We got
Come on.
orders, lads.
Give us some
Pay attention. Horses in gear. Let's go capture it.
A victory point is being overrun.
Boys, that means you.
Oh my god.
Victory point under enemy control.
Give us orders, Sappers. Yeah, we're moving. Awaiting rules by us.
Oh, every time. Every shitting time. Move!
Stop firing. Sappers, Sappers. Let me guess. We should see the other guy. Orders, sir. Sappers, red, run, Sappers. Run.
Alright, getting one of these. Get this.
Quiet down.
Going alright.
Listen up. Always eager to serve.
Oh shit.
Boss man says take it, we take it.
The enemy have taken our territory.
Still quite far away from being able to afford an AT gun actually.
Sappers on site. What do you need blowing up?
A sector is in enemy control.
Always eager to serve. Oh, gear up, pace. On that point. Guns up. Patrolling.
Sappers, report like shit through a...
Present and accounted. Look lively now. Time to secure that area. Pay attention, lazy buggers.
Royal Engineer, eyes open, guns up.
Stop mucking about. Signal, driver. Pull it over.
We got orders. Finders keepers, lads.
Sappers, eager as we'll ever be. Job for us.
Oh,
Royal Engineers, yeah?
Fast track! Open fire!
You have 3 command points available.
Excellent.
Give him a mad minute!
Sappers, get moving.
Our supply line's broken. We have sectors isolated out there.
Oh, fucking stopper!
We found Jerry. He's not too pleased.
Wresting territory from the enemy!
Sappers under fire.
Fire! Pull back the base! Leave it! Well, it's too late for the real march! What now?
How did he know that there was a mine there?
Rifle section ready!
Here we go, lads. Onto the breach.
Ready fire!
What now? Back up! Back us up! Wait! Black engage! tightrope reposition.
Presence accounted for.
Await welders out! Get
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
Advancing to attack. Come on then.
Initiating rollout of battle.
Jerry's no.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
More of these fuckers, eh?
On it! Found the enemy line! Guys,
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
there you are! Fire them! Fire and move! Engage on sight! Head into the location.
Is it load bearing?
Driver, take your time.
Field promotion.
Infantry training completed.
Job's better than fucking paperwork, innit?
Mirror,
On it.
Pass out the flares! Upgrading! Always you two! Pushing the line! Come on!
Let's go.
Fire off a flare! We'll risk it! Risk
Might
it,
go
won't
avoid
we?
this spot.
Planted some mines himself.
It's Eagle, you got orders?
Nothing to worry about. Give us some breathing room.
We got orders, lads. Recon flare, going out. Arses in gear, let's go capturing.
Sappers, we're not fucking mitching, David. We're taking that position. We're under fire! Fight cover, you boss!
Well, not lively, falling back.
The enemy has pushed us back from our sector.
Sappers, receive round needs taken, boyos.
Ready for trouble. Present and accounted for securing enemy territory.
Alright, I've stabilized. I can go for a Crusader AA
Anti-air
now.
tanks are available.
Position's ours.
Always easy
Spark up while there's time.
Corporal, take the lead. Wankers! There you are! We can't go!
Oh, bugger me!
Infantry!
Fire on her!
Ready weapons, combat patrol.
Sappers, they're breaking through us, yeah? Did that repair work?
Hold in!
Alright, I think I can get away with not doing it after killing one like that. That was good.
Orders smells like sausage heads, boys. You know what that means. Now then.
Present and we'll risk it for a biscuit.
Just go for one more section, I think.
Is it load bearing?
Have I gone for training yet? Yeah, I have.
This is Queensland rolls. Fucking kill them! With the attack.
Sappers, eyes open, guns up.
That's enough! Shit! Enemy fire! Guys, that means fire back! Get moving! Cover his position! Wankers! Infantry
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Fall back! Bloody back!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Nancy, hold the position! Cavalry, ready. Hatching it.
Present and accounted for, sir. Buckle up, boys. There is nowhere to bloody enemy! Oh, he's dead! Fucking mine! We're ready. Oh, Corporal, fuck! Fucking sniper! Run! Orders, smoke him if you've got it.
Oh!
Might be a good
Had
scrap.
orders in yonks, calling in some hands
Quiet
and kit.
down and listen. Let's take
Should be
some
handy.
ground. Present, look lively now. Try to secure that area. Halt! Get your heads down now! I don't want to hear a fucking word. March. We've got enemy fire! Go, go! Boy, stop and spread out! Well, you can get it done. Fucking hell, they oh, those biscuits of shit! Take it, pull back the base! Leave it! Well, it's me!
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
Sappers, finish.
Dig it
Fire
out!
at that target.
For a bag of chips. Get out of
Sappers,
here!
little stroll into Jerry's light. Nothing to worry about.
He's getting roasted, dude.
Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
Sappers, we're moving. No fucking go.
Report.
Oh, he decrewed me with that. Fuck, it was dead. Wow. That was a really lucky decrew. Really lucky scatter on the grenades.
Jerry's not giving up without a fight. We're down to 300 points.
Oil engineers, yeah? Starting the work.
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Nice! Push it on every ground!
We're not fucking big shit, darling. We're taking that position. Sappers, yeah? Patient, where is that?
Quiet down and listen up. Recce package incoming. You remember the drill. Listen to the count. Pull it back. Nice. Always eager to start. Now! Mine! Looks funny. Shoot it! Play it. Come on, ladies. While we're young. Quiet down. We're capturing big Queensbury rolls. Fucking kill them! Go on! Two wankers will march. He's dead! Oh, no! Let's move out! Stop! Felix! Quiet down! Get there! Jump! Fucking chopper! Run!
Here we go.
Nearly there, boys. Nearly there. 3 command points to go. Do we go for a second AT gun to back this up? And start stalling on the manpower?
Sappers, receiving orders.
I probably need to try to keep enough munitions for a snare.
Good as new. Repairs finished. Sappers reporting. Job for us. I'll do it now.
Try to plant another mine.
Target phones, let's get rigged. We got orders, lads.
Order off your asses. Move. Just bloody stop, will you? I'm waiting
Found the enemy
instructions, sir.
line! Big Queensbury rolls, fucking kill them!
Hey, cover! Under enemy fire, yeah?
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
Got enemy fire!
Sappers, sir.
Quiet down, hit whinging and march.
Ready for action! I'm waiting for orders. Positions up.
Present, head into the location. Nice! Get your eye in! Get it! Move!
Ord welders out. Get to repair. Oh, wait, did it cut them down? We've got to get there.
It's Eagles, you got orders?
We've lost a sector to the enemy.
Man over here. Get down, boys.
Wankers! There you are! We got orders, lads. Come on, we're going in!
Sappers receiving orders. Almost 5 sappers. Oh, bugger me. Back now. They opened fire on us.
Dude, this thing's owning him right now. This victory Polsten's going to work.
What you got for us? Split the trail. Tickle like you chaps!
Get it, Ansi. Hold the position. Cavalry can't be too far off.
Play it, come on, ladies, while we're young.
Oh, we are.
What's the task?
We have command points available for use.
In contact! Call up support! Call back to base! Leave it!
Build up and ready.
What's the task? We're taking that position.
Okay, Alex. Let's, doing some
Aye, we're ready.
Polsten things.
Quiet down, shut your mush and move your feet.
Landmines laid and covered.
I'll
They
take
won't
the
suspect
scope.
a thing.
You couldn't hit the... Jump to it! Pushing on with the attack! Oh, I don't want to hear a fucking word!
The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Sappers on that capture point.
Get to cover, you fucks!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Clear the door, let's go! Pay attention! Head into the location. Quiet down and listen up.
The enemy has our victory points now.
There. Let's see what we can.
We're losing a fuel point to enemy action.
Attention! We're on it!
Move back now. Follow me.
Ready, weapon team, moving into Jerry territory. Orders, jump to it, lads. Ready for holding for a moment. Fire back!
Keep this on.
Corporal fucked! 6-pounder waiting on you, sir.
The squad.
Oh my goodness! What the fuck?
Enemy firing at us! Let's get moving! Stop!
Fucking piece of-
Yeah, we're moving.
Shake it like a fox!
Snappers are ready.
Oh, my own fucking mind, dude.
Good lord, we've just lost our CMP truck.
Can't help him! Fight!
Such a stupid ability.
We just lost an anti-tank gun. The enemy has claimed a sector.
Playing hard to get!
All we did is stop fucking tapping and grab that weapon.
We're losing a strategic point to enemy action.
Back up! Ready for action again! You shits! We're standing back! Come on! We're up, lads!
Singing from the same hymn sheet, Commander. Snappers on
Such a stupid ability.
We have territories exposed out there.
No, I think 3 CMP would survive it. Maybe not. Maybe not double planes, actually.
Combat patrol!
They'd have to be full health, I think.
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
Ready! Ready weapons!
Royal
Combat
shovels
patrol!
away, lads. Combat patrol.
Okay, so I'm probably going to have to build a Crusader AA later.
AT gun! Ready
Because I'm
weapons!
going to need the
Territory
anti-air.
lost.
Pay attention, lazy
What
buggers.
you- Ready weapons! Combat patrol!
We got orders, lads. Nige, you're on door duty.
Royal Engineers, yeah? Starting the work.
Always eager. We're pushing the line. Come on.
How much is that? Can't remember how much the
Cut your
Black
mustard,
Prince is.
move your feet.
Don't think I can
Come
go
on,
for both
chaps,
right
one
now.
at a time.
Pack it up! Ready weapons! Combat
Commander,
patrol.
we should utilize all manpower available to us.
Rifle section, we ain't staying. Out! Take us, move out! Keep the fucker down! Move out! On those infantry closing on us! Get the ground! Well, it's big, sir! Keep the ready, master! Ready out! Grenades! Move! Infantry taking losses here! Those sods!
We should use our command points ASAP. The Black Prince has been made available to serve.
No rest for the wicked, yeah?
Alright, here it comes.
Crusader cruiser finished.
Stow that gear, boys. We're going. Stopping now, huh?
Where's the bloody target? Pretty, Russian dude. The king has needed
Pounder anti-tank gun!
Royal
Ready!
Engineers, ready. Weapons just sat waiting to be used.
Our victory point is being overrun.
Shit, David.
Right,
We're
let's
taking
get
that
moving.
position.
How can we serve Black Prince sallying forth?
Job's better than fucking paperwork.
AT pushing
On
on
it.
the attack!
Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Replace
Sappers, he pull out the sweeper. What's Jerry's is ours. Can we blow it up now?
Where's the leader boat?
Mine's laid. Might want to avoid this spot.
There's time to burn some fuel.
6 on your feet!
Our munitions point is being overrun.
Far too close.
Let the
We
devil
found
know we're
Jerry.
coming.
He's not
Driver,
complete.
we're counting on you. Well done.
The enemy is pushing hard. We're down to 250 points.
Two in that position.
You got bloody run up the air with bloody things
Keep
away.
fighting.
What? Let us go. Take it.
Our anti-tank gun crew has been killed. Territory sector lost, Commander.
Sappers, yeah?
Grab your tackle! Jump to do!
Get it. Hold the position.
Black
Cavalry
Prince
can't be too
sallying.
far off.
Gotta move,
Alright,
chaps.
we're ready!
We're losing a victory point.
Yeah, bench is shot, but we're moving in. The sooner we move, the sooner we get
Anti-tank
there.
gun.
What you got for it? Let's get the job done!
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
Hold it out. Keep the pace. Halt now. Good head going, driver. Hold Crusader AA under intense enemy fire. Back up, taking heat. Now.
Crusader gone. No combat.
So slow, dude.
Get to work!
So bad for a map like this, you know?
Reported. Job for us.
Damaged! Defense! Pushing up! The king driver! We're counting on you! Well, proceed us! Getting traction! Can this bitch go any faster?
Sappers. We're needed elsewhere. Let's sound the retreat, sappers.
Pushing up!
They've cut us off. Territory is out of supply.
Order, you with me?
Who made me sell?
6-pounder anti-tank ready weapons, combat patrol.
Victory point under enemy control.
Sappers report. Let me get. You should see the other guy.
There you are!
A-15 Crusader is on station and ready for orders. You have command points available.
Yeah, that was a bad idea, buddy.
We have 200 points remaining. Our infirmary is being attacked.
First barrage.
Enemy control.
One barrage. He kills my mid-tent in one fucking barrage, dude.
We have vehicles
Come on.
standby.
Engineers, ready. We've got orders to move. So move.
Our talents are needed. Crusader
We got orders, lads.
That's bullshit.
Go now.
The beggars are threatened. Supplies aren't making it back to HQ. Lines cut.
Yes, from like back here into my base.
Wait, grab that gear.
So crazy, man.
Aye, you want us? War's over there, lads.
There's Black Prince. Sally.
Oh, we're getting a little too close.
Bloody engine. Get moving.
Oh!
Sappers, reported. Pull out the sweep. Eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position.
The enemy have taken our territory.
Go for the team weapon training right now, because I need the extra health on my AT guns to survive the
Risk it for a biscuit, won't we?
War's over there.
walking Stukas.
I don't want to hear a fucking word. Ziggy's out. It's captured.
Hey, Teague, let's put him through the ringer, lads.
Sap, little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about.
Come on, ladies. Well, we've got enemy fire.
What? We're taking that position.
Team weapon training completed.
Need of a tank, lad.
Point down. Oh, every time. Every shitting time.
We're losing a munitions point.
Jerry's picking us apart.
How does he get Vet 3 so much
We've
before
lost a sector.
my Tommies that have got training?
On your wish. We're up. Right. Aircraft coming in.
Jerry's got it in for us. Sappers, we're moving. No fucking moving. We found Jerry. He's done too lead.
5 command points available. Acknowledge.
Take it here.
Not even in the fucking circle, dude!
Destroyed. A munitions point is being overrun.
Sappers, fucking bastards, huh?
Tank crew cooking. Point down, you
Awaiting
wankers.
fire.
While it be.
We're all tore up. I'm taking fire. Take cover.
Victory is ours. The excuse to crack out the good stuff.
Any reason to destroy tank remains? Yeah, because he's playing armored support and he can salvage them for about a third of their resources. So if I don't kill them, he's just going to be able to get a third of their resources back every single time. Or even worse, he could build a recovery vehicle and start recovering them. So you got to kill them if you got some free time. That was tough, man. Maybe I have to go for a Crusader AA as well. Just a little bit more firepower before the Black Prince arrives.